What if I told you that the device in your pocket is more powerful than the computers that sent humans to the moon? Yes, your smartphone. The thing you use to scroll, text, and watch videos is one of the most advanced pieces of technology ever created. But here's the real question. How does it actually work? How can a thin piece of glass and metal connect you to the entire world in seconds? How can it store memories, capture reality, and even think faster than you? Today, we're going deep inside your smartphone to uncover the science behind it. Part 1: The brain of your phone. Inside your smartphone, there is a tiny brain. It's called the processor. This chip is what makes everything happen. Every tap, every swipe, every app you open, it all goes through this tiny piece of silicon. But here's the crazy part. A modern smartphone processor can perform billions of calculations every second. That's faster than the human brain can consciously think. Inside the processor, there are billions of tiny switches called transistors. These transistors turn on and off like tiny light switches, representing ones and zeros, the language of computers. And from just these simple signals, your phone creates apps, videos, games, and entire digital worlds. Part 2: Electricity, the invisible power. Your phone is alive because of electricity. Every function, from lighting up the screen to sending messages, requires energy. That energy comes from the battery. Inside the battery, chemical reactions happen that release electrons, which flow through the phone, creating electricity. Think of it like water flowing through pipes. But instead of water, it's tiny charged particles. Without this flow, your phone becomes just a lifeless object. Part 3: How your phone connects to the world. Ever wondered how your phone sends a message to someone miles away, instantly? It's not magic. It's science. Your phone communicates using electromagnetic waves. These waves travel through the air at the speed of light. When you send a message, your phone converts your words into electrical signals, then into radio waves. These waves travel to the nearest cell tower, then through a massive network, until they reach the other person's phone. All of this happens in milliseconds. Part 4: The internet in your hand. Your smartphone is your gateway to the internet. But what is the internet? It's not a place. It's a global network of computers connected together. When you open a website, your phone sends a request to a server somewhere in the world. That server responds by sending data back, which your phone displays. And it all happens almost instantly. Part 5: The screen, how you see everything. The screen is where the magic becomes visible. Most smartphones use LED or OLED displays. Each screen is made of millions of tiny pixels. Each pixel can change color and brightness independently. By combining millions of pixels, your phone creates images, videos, and everything you see. It's like a digital painting that updates dozens of times per second. Part 6. Touchscreen, how your phone feels you. How does your phone know where you touch it? It uses something called capacitive touch technology. Your body conducts electricity. When you touch the screen, you change the electrical field on the surface. Your phone detects the change and calculates the exact position of your finger. That's how it responds, instantly. Part 7. The camera, capturing reality. Your smartphone camera is like a tiny digital eye. Light enters through the lens and hits a sensor. This sensor captures the light and converts it into electrical signals. These signals are then processed into an image. But modern phones go further. They use AI to enhance photos, adjust lighting, and even recognize faces. So what you see is not just reality. It's reality improved. Part 8. Artificial intelligence in your phone. Your smartphone is not just smart. It's intelligent. AI helps your phone recognize your voice, predict what you'll type, and improve your photos. It learns from your behavior and adapts to you. In a way, your phone gets to know you. Part 9. Battery science. Inside your battery, there's a constant chemical reaction. Lithium ions move between two sides, creating energy. But over time, these reactions weaken, which is why batteries degrade. That's why your phone doesn't last forever. Part 10. Security, keeping your data safe. Your phone stores your life, photos, messages, passwords. To protect this, it uses encryption. Encryption turns your data into unreadable code that only your device can unlock. That's how your information stays safe. Part 11. Why smartphones keep getting better. Every year, smartphones become faster, smarter, and more powerful. Because technology never stops evolving. Engineers are constantly improving processors, batteries, and software, pushing the limits of what's possible. Final thought. So the next time you pick up your smartphone, remember, you're not just holding a device. You're holding science, physics, chemistry, engineering, and artificial intelligence, all combined into something small enough to fit in your hand, and yet powerful enough to connect you to the entire world. Outro. If you enjoyed this, take a second to like the video, subscribe for more deep, mind-blowing content, and comment below what topic you want next. Because the more you understand how things work, the more powerful you become.